Oh hell no, it is going to rain in a few minutes. I need to find a shelter quickly if I don't want to get stuck in the rain. I hate how the rainy weather just started all of a sudden. It is your fault, video creator, that you added the rain and the lightning effects to this scenario. When will this acid weather stop?
Hey, are you tired of not finding a shelter in time? Now it is pouring, not just raining.
Hey, who is talking to me when I am off screen?
Chill, dude. I know you are furious because of the thunderstorm, but I have a solution. Make sure you have an umbrella over your heads so you won't get soaked.
What a brilliant idea. I'm going to rush home just to get my hands on one.
Wait, don't rush home just yet. You know that the video's creator can just spawn an umbrella in front of you.
How the hell did I forget this fact? For the sake of hail, thanks for the help. Hey, how did the rain stop so quickly? Whatever, I will just go home.